Hello, my students. Today is Tuesday, 11th August 2020. Topic review. Performance, preposition, and shopping language. Okay, we review. Vamos a hacer un repaso. Okay, start. Okay, about preposition. Look, this is the street. This is the street. And look the people here, two girls. And read the instruction. Turn right at the corner. Look, this is the corner here. And you turn right at the corner and go straight ahead. Look, go straight. Look, straight. Not like this. Ooh, no, straight. Period. Is on your right. The right. This is the left. Está a su derecha. Okay, okay, in Spanish a little. Esta es la corner, la esquina. Gire a la derecha. Entonces, imagínate que estás girando a la derecha y tu mano derecha es hacia este costado, ¿ok? Entonces ahí se dice, is on your right. Está a su derecha. Next to, look, next to the bakery, donde hacen pan, ¿ok? Panadería. Okay, stop here. Look, go up, go up. Go up the street. Go up the street.
Go down.
Go down the street. Go down the street. Hacia abajo, hacia arriba.
Down the street. Go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead. Go straight. Ir derecho. Okay?
Go straight on. Go along.
It's the same. Along, a lo largo de la calle.
Go over.
Go over.
Go over the bridge.
Go over the bridge. Look, you go like this, over. Go over the bridge.
Go through.
Go through. You are here and you finish here. Through. Atravesar.
Go through the park.
Go through the park.
Cross.
Okay.
Cross the street.
Look, cross the street. You are here and you cross the street. Pasa la calle. Cross the street.
Go past.
Go past. You don't stop. You go past.
Go past the post office.
Go past the post office.
Go left.
This is easy. Go left.
Turn left.
Turn left. Okay?
Go right.
Go right.
Turn right.
It's go right. Va hacia la derecha y voltea. A la derecha.
Take the first on the right.
Okay. Take the first. Coja la primera. The first. This is the second. The second. And take the first on the right.
Take the second on the right.
And look, take the second on the right.
first on the left.
Okay, and this is opposite.
Take the second on the left.
And take the second on the left.
Go round.
Go round like this. Go round.
The roundabout.
This is the roundabout.
Transition words.
Okay. Okay, look. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bus station? Could you tell me how to get to? ¿Cómo llegar? How to get to? Okay, to the bus station. Look, the part of the buildings. And look.
Sorry, I'm not from around here.
Sorry, I'm not from around here. No, he doesn't live in the city. Okay. Or
Excuse me, how do I get to the bank?
excuse me, how do I get to the bank? Y él sí le va a decir.
Down Marina Drive. Take the first on the left into Victoria Street.
Go down Marinas, away from me. Go along the street. Go
Past
past,
the crossroads, and you'll see a police station on your right.
look, the police station on your right.
Past the police station, and you'll be there.
Go past the police station and you are here
Thank you.
in the bank. You will be in the bank, okay? Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the park? The way, el camino. Okay, look, go along the short route like this.
When you get to the hotel, turn right into Broadway Street and go up the street.
Look, like this, go up. Yes, go up the street like this.
Then, police station.
The police
Right
station.
to Victoria Street and walk up to the crossroads.
Look, turn right into Victoria Street. This is Victoria Street.
Finally, cross the street and you're there.
And cross the street. Cross the street and you are there.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. And about the language of the shopping languages that you have here. Aquí tenemos las oraciones que dice the sales and the customers. Las oraciones que dice el vendedor, las oraciones que dicen, o las frases, no oraciones, las frases que dice the customer, el comprador. Y yo ya les comparto y les adjunto los videos donde vimos cada una de estas situaciones. Pero aquí les estoy compartiendo como el resumen para que lo tengan presente, ¿ok? Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Bye, see you.